Hi students, SSLC IT exam theory questions English medium ആണ് ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ കാണിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നത്. Very short answer questions ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ first question number 1. Which are the appropriate file system partitions created for GNU Linux operating systems? A. ext3, B. ntfs, C. apfs, D. hbfs, E. ext4. Answer ext3, A. ext3 and C. ext4. Second question. Choose the correct statement about the given Python graphics program. A. When the program runs, 7 circles will be created. B. When the program runs, 6 circles will be created. C. When the program runs, 5 circles will be created. D. Circles will be of equal size. E. Circles will be of different size. The answer B. When the program runs, 6 circles will be created. E. Circles will be of different size. Third question. Choose 2 advantages of computer networking from the following. A. UPS can be shared. B. Digital files can be exchanged. C. Printer and scanner can be shared. D. Mouse can be shared. E. Keyboard can be shared. Answer B. Digital files can be exchanged. C. Printer and scanner can be shared. Question number 4. Some features of LibreOffice Writer are given below. Choose the correct options. A. Mail merge to add table of contents into a document. B. Styles to apply the same style to the heading in a document. C. Mail merge to create multiple documents by adding information from the database. C. Clone formatting to apply distinct formatting styles to headings. E. CTL font to change the English font of headings. Answer B. Styles to apply the same style to the headings in a document. C. Mail merge to create multiple documents by adding information from the database. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Which are the 2 correct statements related to the kernels of operating system? A. Linux is the kernel of GNU Linux. B. Windows NT is the kernel of Microsoft Windows. C. Linux is the kernel of Apple Mac OS. D. The kernel of FreeBSD operating system is XNU. E. BSD is the kernel of Android operating system. Okay, the answer A. Linux is the kernel of GNU Linux. B. Windows NT is the kernel of Microsoft Windows. Question number 6. Tweening technology that is utilized when creating animation. Choose the 2 correct statements related to this. Tweening is possible in the software Synfig Studio. Tweening is not possible in the software Synfig Studio. C. The software fills up the frames in between the keyframes. D. Combines 2 different frames. E. Makes use of technology of interconnectivity. Answer Tweening is possible in the software Synfig Studio. C. The software fills up the frames in between the keyframes. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Identify the 2 developers who built Unix operating system from the following. A. Dennis Ritchie. B. Charles Babbage. C. Ken Thompson. D. Byron. E. Tim Berners-Lee. Answer A. Dennis Ritchie. C. Ken Thompson. Question number 8. Choose the 2 different tools in Inkscape that can be used to draw polygons from the following. A. Create spirals. B. Create stars and polygons. C. Text tool. D. Gradient tool. E. Draw Bezier curves and straight lines. Answer B. Create stars and polygons. E. Draw Bezier curves and straight lines. Question number 9. Amal wants to draw a teacup in Inkscape software. He drew an oval in the vertical direction. He drew another circle and arranged on the top of the oval. He has to remove the portion of the oval to get the appropriate shape of a cup. Which of the followings can be helpful for it? A. Select the oval and press the key delete. B. Select both the oval and the circle. C. Select the circle only. D. Click union in path menu. E. Click difference in path menu. Answer B. Select both the oval and the circle. E. Click difference in path menu. Question number 10. Some of the Python graphics commands can be used in short forms. Then which of the following statements can be correct? A. FRD 100 can be used for forward 100. B. FW 100 can be used for forward 100. C. RT 100 can be used for right 100. D. FD 100 can be used for forward 100. E. RI 100 can be used for right 100. Answer C. RT 100 can be used for right 100. D. FD 100 can be used for forward 100. ഇത്രയുമാണ് ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോയിലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.